Okay, let's see. One more try. Hopefully the stream is working now. I don't have a way to check. Fudge. Let's see. Okay. This should be working now, right? I'm hoping that this is working or this is starting to work. I'm not sure. I just can't see, to be honest. So it's really hard for me to know. But let me know if the stream is working. I think it's sending data right now. At least that's what it shows inside OBS. So I'm okay. It should be live now. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, it should be live. I think it should be fine. I'm assuming things are fine. Okay. I don't know when I went off or something, but basically the reason I'm streaming today is because I just feel agitated and like pretty angry at myself in the sense like I feel like I'm not making progress anymore in terms of like, you know, design or like just the goals I have, and I think I'm just getting too comfortable, and that's the feeling I don't want to get, because that means I'm not improving at all, and that's just not the way I live my life. I need to improve a bit more. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. I think this Wednesday thing is gonna be like a scene now. Like I'm probably gonna be streaming on Wednesdays more often than other days because well, because I don't have meetings on Wednesday, and today I actually finished my work early, so I'm not working anymore, so I can actually like stream and stuff like that. I On this stream I plan to right now, like, you know, work a little bit on my website and some other things I'm thinking about a lot. I'd be open for that, Aiden. I'd be very open for that. I just like not right now, but I'd be very open to that. to working as a dev or like learning how to be a dev. But basically there's a few goals in terms of like, so I don't know if I mentioned previous streams before, but now that I can openly talk about a lot of things because I'm not working, so my attention is right here. There are three priorities I had for this year, and like especially now I have three priorities that are kind of like my North Star. The first priority is job. I have a job now, it's making me money and I'm working hard at it. That's one part that's, you know, being sustained, and actually my contract is being extended till April end of next year, which is great. They're still working on the details, but yeah, that's exciting. Now the other two priorities are my health includes fitness, nutrition, and sleep. I'm constantly working on making that better. You know, making small habits like going on a walk every other day or things like that. In terms of like my sleep, I'm getting worse for the past 2 weeks, but I'm getting back at it. I'm getting back at like sleeping well and stuff like that. But it's a easy habit now for me. I can easily make the switch again to sleeping better again. In terms of like my food, I'm slowly like learning on what to eat, or what to not eat, or what can I cook. Now, the third goal is to have a side hustle. That's the main thing, like have a side project, side hustle or something. And for that, I've been thinking about, first of all, podcast is one thing I'm thinking about. I'm also thinking about consulting. Right, Hayden, you're here. But I was also thinking about consulting, one-on-one consulting. Like I want to set up both free and paid you know, options, so that people who can afford it, they can pay it. But if they don't, they feel like they cannot afford it, they're happy, like I'm happy to provide that service for free for them. So that's something I was actually working on, which I can probably show in a little bit. And then I was also thinking about making actually Webflow templates. So here's my spiel on it, and I think Aiden, you would be interested in this. So let's say I make one Webflow template, and let's say it costs $60, or just let's just say $50, right? If I sell two templates a month, that's $100. You know, let's just say every single month I just sell two. That's $100 per month every single day, and I just created once. In the beginning, yeah, it's like you're just working for nothing. You know, it's because you're working on making these things happen. But eventually this becomes passive income, because every single month you can expect at least 100, let's just say, even if let's say you sell more in some months or something, whatever, 100 is the average you get. So that means if you get 10 templates, then you make $1,000 a month. And then if you get 100 template, you make $10,000 a month. And then it just, like, if you're earning $10,000 a month and you're not making any more templates after the 100, well, you're kind of financially free in a sense, because you're making enough money to actually, for you to travel pretty easily, pretty comfortably, like live your life and not having to work or not having any obligations. And so it feels like that's crazy, and that's something I'm thinking a lot about. And what if you convert that same template into a Shopify template, or maybe a Framer template, or maybe something for Editor X or Wix or Squarespace? Shit, that becomes a lot of money. No, I'm not gonna make a trillion templates, but I'm thinking about, okay, that's just one way to make money, right? There's a lot of ways for developers, for designers to make money. And if that one thing can make so much money, and then if slowly you add on one more other thing to it, like for example, template, podcast, YouTube, whatever, there's so many different ways to make money and so many systems. And it's kind of easy to make money if you think about it. Yes, it takes time. It takes time and stuff, but it's kind of easy to make money. And so this life that you're living, it becomes the easy mode. Right now, we're all living on hard mode, but a lot of the people have already figured out how to live on the easy mode, because if they make money and they're pretty fit, I mean, most of the time, most of the problems are already solved for them. Then the problem becomes, okay, you want to travel more, you want to find a life partner, you want to go to more events, you want to make more friends, or you want to go more trips or whatever. Those are the other things. But that's the crazy part. Like, life becomes such an easy mode if you think about, okay, if you have some ways to make money, but you're not using your time to make a lot of that money. Like for example, you're not using 40 hours to make $40 or something like that. That's the thing. That's awesome, Aiden. Look at that. That is something, right? Oh yeah, staking of Solana. I've staked my Ethereum, even though I haven't bought much on Coinbase. I've bought like actually $30 worth of Ethereum. So I've just staked it, and it's getting me some money. Yeah, but like that's the thing. Like, there's so many ways to make money. It's so easy in a sense. I think we're just, ever since we're kids, we're trapped in this system where we've just heard constantly from our environment that, hey, making money is hard. Oh my god, there's so much struggle to make money. How would you, like, I've seen a lot of bad times with my parents because we didn't have money, or let's say I wanted something, I couldn't get it because we just didn't have the money. But like, now that I'm in America, I can actually work hard and make money and then buy that thing. That's why I have a lot of Apple products now, because I enjoy technology, electronics, and now I can purchase it, because I'm working hard to get the money. But that's the thing, it only takes a few years, and then you're kind of set in a sense. Like, then you're just playing the game on easy mode. This is a game, let's just say. You're gonna be playing on easy mode pretty quickly in a sense, if you just optimize a few things in your life. Now, I know I went on a big spiel on there, but basically, what I want to do is make progress on making the podcast. I've also thought about a few things, like, for example, I want to officially make SkedeWalker's website. I officially want to change my handles on a lot of the social media to SkedeWalker, or make a new one for SkedeWalker, and that's gonna be the persona that handles design, exploration, creativity, and all of those things. Dude, Aiden, I know that inflation is a lot higher, but I'm just like, dude, the inflation is, we're struggling in US as well with the inflation and the taxes and other things. So it's like, welcome to the world, and you're still like in college, or in school, so you don't have to worry that much. Yeah, like, you don't have to worry that much right now on that. For you're kind of more on a chill state. Like, it's really up to you what you want to do. Obviously, yeah, I don't know your family's condition or or things like that, but I'm just guessing here. I could be totally wrong. um but yeah, so I thought like now I can actually like stream and explore some ideas I had for the website. I had some ideas for the podcast, or even making my resume better. I could do that in on streaming and things like that, and I think it could be fun. Your SaaS products? Which SaaS products are you talking about? Because you said all yours. I was like, does Aiden have SaaS products that he made? Is he a trillionaire that I didn't know about? Let's see. Give me a second. But eventually, like, I want to try these things out, because there's a lot here. There's a lot of things I have to think about, and I want to try, like, I want to do some awesome things. You started working on a couple of SaaS products? That's dope, dude. That's dope. But you said they're going up. What do you mean by that? Like, are they already live? Are people paying you or paying for that to use that SaaS? Man, I feel good to live stream because it just feels like it's been a while since I actually have been live streaming and like putting all of my attention to live streaming. Um, and it's kind of becoming a little bit consistent because I've been streaming for 3 weeks on Wednesdays. Oh, the hosting costs. Oh, that makes sense. Dude, how much hosting costs do you pay right now? I sometimes wonder, like, if you release a free product or something, like, you still have to pay the hosting costs and things like that. Like, how much? How does that depend on? Like, what does that depend on? I think it depends on like the number of users who visit your site and things like that. But I don't know how much cost can I expect. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. I actually saw a person I asked for consultation a few months ago. He started live streaming on YouTube, design stuff. His name is Tanner Christensen. Let me see if I can show. Second. Okay, so basically, Tanner Christensen. So yeah, he started streaming, and so I was looking at his designer portfolio website with me for the past like 2 days or so, and this brought me to an idea that I want in my portfolio, which I'll mention just in a second. Okay, $15, 15 pounds a month is not that bad actually. It's pretty good. Like for example, like I like for example podcast that I'm gonna have, right? It's gonna, I think the podcast would be hosted on, and this is a totally different example, it's not really related to the hosting costs, but I was thinking about, I was looking at like how much is it going to cost for the podcast and stuff. So it seems like I'm probably going to go for the $18 per month plan, because $3 per month my 3 hours might not be enough in each month. But yeah, I'm thinking about this. So this is probably what's gonna cost me per month to actually host the podcast and things like that. It feels like a lot in a sense, but like right now, based on what I make, like I think I can easily handle it. Yeah, so actually I could buy $24 per month, but I'm probably don't need the 12 hours, so that's why I'm thinking about just $18 a month is fine. Oh, so you pay for the back end. Okay, interesting. But yeah, so for the podcast, this is basically like $18 a month, I'm guessing it's gonna cost, and then obviously the software I need to edit on is gonna cost additional. Zoom is kind of like free in a sense, so I don't have to worry about that. Yeah, so basically like I said, I want to work on SkedeWalker's website. Like I don't know how it looks right now. You know, I really just can't visualize, but I know one component that I felt was pretty interesting, something that I feel like could work really, really well. Um, okay, and this is my current portfolio, kind of my current portfolio on right now, TanishChandal.com. I'll show you. I'm just showing all of the viewers. I'm sure, Aiden, you've seen this portfolio, right? Unless I'm totally mistaken. But yeah, so this is kind of like my portfolio right now. You know, it's kind of simple and things like that, but it's not something that I'm not enjoying as much as I want to enjoy this. Oh, okay, yeah, verification emails and stuff like that. That makes sense, Aiden. Yeah, I gotta know these things, Aiden. I really gotta know these things. I'm, I genuinely need to know these things. I actually want to check something real quick. I feel like with the Webflow, if I do what I was thinking about, I might have to pay a fee. Let's see. Where are you? Yeah, pricing right here. I think I'll have to pay for an accounts plan. Yeah, it's probably gonna be $49 a month that I'll probably have to pay. Yeah, I'm guessing this is something I would have to pay probably for the unlimited hosted, unhosted sites. I'll probably have to pay this if I do the template route, but I really genuinely feel like this template scene could work really well in the next 3 to 5 years. Like shit, that could make a lot of money, and it's gonna be eventually be passive income basically. But yes, this is my current website. I'm not okay with it right now. I'm just like not happy with the website right now, and so that's why I need to make it again, but in SkedeWalker scene. Yeah, that's all fine, Dayton. That's all good, dude. No problem. I know there was a way to take a screenshot of the whole page through this. I just can't remember what the thing was. Damn, yeah, I can't remember what the thing was, but I know there was a way to take screenshot of the whole page. No, never mind. Okay, you know what, I'll just get started with some ideas that I have. I'm just gonna put them down here. I'm just gonna put a desktop. They have one for wireframe. Okay, I'll just put the wireframe one. It's the same size and stuff like that. This was done a few weeks ago. I was just trying out like, okay, what can I do here, or what could I think about for updating the website, but I didn't go with this idea at all. So that's why you don't see anything. But I'll just make some boxes based on like what I think. Oh, what's up? What's up, buddy? How are you? Literally on OBS, I can't even see your see your name because of the what it's called. Because it's like so dark blue. But how are you doing, buddy? How was your work today? Did you already finish your work? I'm guessing you did because you're ahead of me. I'm making the website again. I'm making the website again, buddy. But this time for SkedeWalker. I guess I should write a few things, but I want to capture this idea I do have. Nice, having dinner, nice. What are you having for dinner? Aiden, I have no clue. It depends on what the Discord bot does. Ooh, gyro. Oh man, I love them. Okay, that's pretty cheap. I think that's fine, Aiden. It also depends on what it does. If it does something really useful, I'm sure some people would be happy to pay £5 a month as well, or even more. Like I'm sure some people put in $1, £1 a month, or £10 a month, or £100 a month. It just depends. But basically, what I'm thinking, this is just one of the ideas I had, is whenever I'm streaming, or just like this streaming thing, I want a text to appear over here, like join me live or something like that. I really liked this idea, and I was like, oh my god, this is something really cool. So I was like, okay, whenever, I don't know if this is possible, I was thinking like whenever I'm live on Twitch or something, this kind of just keeps moving, this text just keeps moving, you know, at Twitch. I'm thinking something along these lines could potentially work. I just don't know how well it will work. So this would just keep moving, is what I'm thinking. That was one idea that I did have that I want to capture here. Dude, 15K? Seriously? That many users for just £15? That's actually pretty cheap. Okay, so I want to actually see like who is it that we're targeting with this? Who is the user? And I know for this one it's not the hiring manager or recruiter, because this is not for a job. This is really to show the personality. This is to, I guess, for the community, in the sense. For the community, describe who SkedeWalker is and what he does. I think that's something I think it's really just for the community. It's really not for a job or anything. I don't feel that way anyways. I'm gonna probably have case studies, but that's not gonna be the main target for me. What is this? Well, this is a main hub for people to get to know Skede. Ooh, goodish cheap cloud hosting provider. Yeah, basically this is the main hub for people to get to know SkedeWalker, and learn. I'm thinking about creativity, but something along this line. I'm not 100% sure, but I feel like this is something, creativity and, let's just say, product design for now. I don't think this is exactly what they would know here, but something along the lines. Why am I making this? To give, I mean, my personal reason is to give personality to Skede Walker and let him shine. Wait, which game is so hard? Which game are you playing? PokeMMO? Is that the game you're playing? Which one? There's a game called Product Designer Simulator? How do I not know about it? Simulator. Oh my god. Dude, seriously? How is that a funny joke? I literally don't get it. How is that a funny joke? I genuinely don't get it. But yeah, I mean, this is kind of like a game in the sense that SkedeWalker does not exist, in a sense. It's just a persona. And honestly, I don't follow processes at all. But there's something I need to understand, like, about, first of all, who is SkedeWalker? Why is he? You're not mentally ill, TikTok. I need to know who SkedeWalker is and what does he do. Like, what is his function? Like, even though I know it, I still can't describe it that well to others as I want to, and I want to give it a place to live as well. So what's really important? What exactly would this hub consist of? What does the hub? Your goal is to get for all of these SaaS products or just for the Discord bot that you're working on, Aiden? Also, when are you streaming again, dude? I literally keep an eye, but I never see you stream, Aiden. I guess what this consists of is a podcast, big kids. It also content on YouTube and Twitch. I want to somehow highlight the content or live stream somehow. The Discord bot. And right now you're still working on the Discord bot, right, Aiden? Live streams or small tidbits. I guess explorations, in the sense it's gonna be something along the lines of case studies, but that's not gonna be the biggest focus. But this is something I really want to do, because I want to the main purpose for SkedeWalker, in my opinion, is first of all to be able to be creative without thinking about the monetary things, without thinking about, okay, how would I make money out of this, or what would this consist of, or things like that. He just wants to explore, you know. And then that's the thing I want to capture here. I want to capture the exploration and showcase the exploration somehow. Ooh, you're going to Spain? For how long? So I want to highlight podcasts. I want to highlight the content creation, basically. Creation, explorations. Where is he at in his life, or goals? And then I think I want to also capture like the process. Nice, only 1 week. That's cool. I think you're gonna enjoy it. I'm happy for you. The Discord bot is work in progress. How long do you think it would take you to complete the Discord bot? And make sure to do usability testing for it to make sure like, oh, it's working correct, it's doing what it needs to. Maybe some research might be like good as well, to know, is this really solving a pain point that people have? I'm assuming you haven't done any of that. That's why I'm saying it. If you have, that's great. Podcast, content creation, explorations, where is he at in his life or goals? I think this is something very important that a lot of people just don't write on their portfolios or websites, because I know my priorities. Yeah, but Aiden, that's the thing. You tested, but you are pretty closely attached to that project, right? And when that happens, you don't always know if you make the right decisions or not, or if there's something that you overlooked. By asking others for feedback, that actually helps you out a lot in coding and understanding, okay, is this really valuable or not? Things like that. I guess what else do I need to show here? I don't know, like a blog or journal or something. I think blog or a journal is something that probably would happen. I think you guys are gonna love this. Like, I'm actually planning on creating a few websites, which I'm probably gonna be covering on the stream. Firstly is obviously SkedeWalker's website. This is gonna be it's gonna take time to make this, but that's fine. There was some other ones too. Let's see. There's gonna be a website for big kids as well. That is a podcast name that I'm starting. I still have to make things for that, but I do have the logo for it, which is this one right here. This is the logo for it, but I still have to make all of the other things. I don't know the colors yet either. Oh, that's awesome, Aiden. I'm excited for you. I'm happy for you, dude. You're doing it. Yes, that is really cool. I'm gonna make a list of like the websites and stuff that I. Okay, so a few things that I wanna create. I wanna put plans for the stream, plans for the live stream, because I think this would be cool. Just do it right now. So first of all, websites. The websites would consist of SkedeWalker. Maybe I will updating Tanish Jindal's my website for like jobs and stuff. I think I might update that, but not too extensively. I think I'm gonna focus more on SkedeWalker versus Tanish Jindal because my main objective is not to get a job right now. And then Big Kids, and this would be for the podcast, and this is something that would probably take priority over the others because this is something that's starting sooner than others, I think. So that's why this is what I'm thinking. I'm also thinking about for mobile apps, I need to finish the game app design project that I was doing. And then I also was doing the Nintendo app redesign. So that's something I want to do because I've done a lot of the research already. So it's like, I feel like I can finish that, and I want to kind of envision what it could be. And then I also want to maybe work on the secret idea. Let's just keep it at that because, yeah. Speak with Aiden. I'm gonna put a secret idea. Honestly, I don't even remember the second idea that I had. I know I had another idea. I just don't remember the idea right now. I'll put productivity here because that product. There was another idea I talked to you, Aiden. Remember? I don't remember the idea anymore. Yeah, and I think that is cool that you, because you wanted it, you're creating. I think that's like the best scenario. Even if no one else uses it, at least you're using and you like it, and this is saving your time. And I'm also sure, like, if you need this, I'm sure others would need it too. Obviously, I don't know the idea, but I still believe that. Now, the other idea I can't remember. There was a productivity idea which I do remember. I don't remember the second idea that I had. Damn, I'm sure I wrote it somewhere in my notes, but I can't remember. Damn. What was that idea? Shit. It feels like. Oh yeah, I do remember actually. Actually, I do remember. Damn, Aiden, you gotta be mean like that. Audio book. I know that these three would be, at least these two would be done on stream. I don't know about the others yet. I'm thinking about doing free work as well. I don't want to do freelance work right now, but I'm thinking about some free work that I want to do for some creators that I admire, or like I feel like I can do better job for them. What's the name of this? Let's see. He's one of my absolute favorite YouTubers, I'd say. Let's see, what was his name? He hasn't posted for a while, so it's like that's why I'm just like right now blanking on his name. But his name is dope. I think if I write this, it will go right here. Nicholas Crystal. He's one of my favorite YouTubers for sure. Like his content is top notch. His website is so I wanna like redesign because I feel like I can do a much better job at it. Yeah, it is huge. Don't worry, we'll manage somehow, dude. we'll manage. I'll figure something out, dude. Right now it's like I just haven't, you know, saved the time to talk. You know, that's literally it. Otherwise, like, I know we would have talked by now. But we'll figure it out. So yeah, his website, I believe I can make this better. Even though this is great already, I still believe that there might be somehow I can actually provide more value to him. So his website I want to just create for free and like send it over to him, even if this doesn't turn into anything. Then this guy first, man. I actually saw his website today. His content is really good around self-development, especially for men and men's mental health. And so he's another person that I wanna. Did it open? That is weird. Okay, where is it though? I don't even see that. Okay. .com. I don't know if you've heard of him before, Aiden, but I do see his content, and I feel like he could be great. I also want to check out Hamza's website. I think his website might also be something that, it's just because there's like no one asking me to do it. I just need to do it for myself. I believe that I can do a better job. Yeah, look at that. This is his website. Come on, man, Hamza. I feel like I can do a better job. Definitely do a better job. His website, let's see. I'm gonna put down Hamza. Oh my god, this is the website. I can do a much better job. 100% I can do a much better job. I know it. This is like a user wouldn't know where to actually, you know, actually look at. Like literally, where does a person actually look at? Like those are the things that I wanna figure. I really feel like I can do a better job. Who's Onyx? Let's see. Oh, nothing opens actually. That's funny. Dude, that was not Pika design. I know you're, you know, you're just joking around here. There's this startup called Otter that I actually want to recreate their website too. I know the person. Oh man, like, I know this was the name. Let me actually check real quick. Give me one sec. I'm trying to find that website real quick. I know this is the name. Otter is the name. I think it's otter.com or something like that. oddr.com. Let's see if this pops up. Yep, this is the website. I believe that I can do a better job for them. I talked to my relative a while back, and I told him like, hey, I can do a better job, but I got really busy and I haven't worked on it. But I really do believe. And look at this art. This just looks so weird. Like, oh my god, like, what is with this art, dude? That just, like, can you see this? Like, shit, what is this art? Oh my god, like, no. I'm not gonna say anything about it, but no, just no. Okay, Otter, Nicholas Crystal, First Man, Hamza. Who else was there that I wanted to make a website for, or I've thought about it before? I mean, if Aiden wants a website, I don't know if he I know Aiden's working on it, but I'll put Aiden over here if Aiden wants a website. I think this could be really fun challenges actually, to work on these on stream and just sharing different ideas and stuff. I think this could be really fun. Who else was there? who am I missing? I can't remember. I feel like there were one or two other websites. I was like, yeah, I probably should remake that or think about something here. I know you have a website, Aiden. It's peak design. Let's see. I don't know if the J is there or not. Yep, it's here. I mean, I can give consultation, but I can't make it right now. There are other things that come priority, so I can't do it right now. I can't make the website free for now. What type of programmers are there? Do they make apps like iOS apps, or what type of programmers are there? Are they? I should say, are they? Oh, you don't know? Come on, man. If yeah, I mean, I can definitely talk to them and see if they need help, but yeah, right now so here's the priority. So Big Kids is the #1 priority right now for me. In a sense, SkedeWalker and Big Kids come first for me, and then Tanish Dindal, and then these mobile apps and free work come. So it's like once these are done, yeah, then I can think about it. But before that, I can't, unless obviously it's my friend. Like for example, if Aiden asks me, that's gonna be a priority for sure, in my mind. You know, so it depends. Or if you ask me, Freddie, then also it's gonna be one of the priorities for sure. But yeah, Aiden, I was looking at this projects, and then like so this is what I was saying. Like, it doesn't go to anywhere, Aiden. Alright, here's the funny thing I want to tell you guys. My friend, he started streaming a few weeks ago, and he's already an affiliate, and I'm not even close to being an affiliate because of that 3 viewers mark. I just can't hit the 3 viewers, dude. I literally can't. Maximum I've been at 2 viewers for a consistent thing, you know, the overall 30-day thing, but I've not been to 3 viewers. I know. Like, my friend is already at 3 viewers because he asked a lot of his friends, like, hey, can you write on here, can you type and stuff. I don't ask anyone. Like, I don't tell many people like I live stream. It's on my LinkedIn and stuff, but I don't really tell anyone. So honestly, I have no problem because I wasn't gonna accept the affiliate anyways. None of them come on. I just never ask. So it's like, that's why. Yeah, you are, Aiden. Khalil is carrying you hard. And if you stream, and if I stream, even if I have 1 viewer, I'll raid to you. So you get carried. It reminds me of video games, to be honest. But yeah, I'll keep the list at that. If there's any other that pop up, I'll just put it into this. But these are like the priorities kind of things like that I'm going to do for the live stream. I do feel like I want to make these websites. Yeah. No, it's fine, buddy. It's fine. I really appreciate it, but it's fine. Because right now I need to be consistent before I ask for that help. Because because of my schedule, I just can't be consistent. You know, I just don't know how to be consistent, things like that, in terms of live streaming. You know, for example, Portfolio, my main goal was to make a website, and I made that, right? And then I got so busy and I so exhausted that I just stopped streaming altogether, you know, streaming here or there, but not really streaming anymore. But now it's like I'm actually streaming because I'm not worried about money anymore. Now I can think about other things. Now I can think about like making fun projects, and I don't even care if they're like 1 person here or 5 people here or 10 or 100. The dream. I mean, you make money too, so it's like you already know the dream. For now. Yeah, for now until the contract ends, right? um but yeah, at least I have a few more what's called months now until the end of April that my contract is being extended to, which is great. um yeah. Dude, that's okay. My first presentation was kind of shit in the sense that I didn't even know that there was gonna be a presentation in the sense. Oh my god. They just fired someone today too. That's brutal. Um, but yeah, I honestly didn't even know that I had the presentation in the meeting, and so I just did whatever I could basically. Oof. Oh man, I quit a sidekick, and because of Aiden's link, it just opened like 7 to 10 like sidekick things, and I was gonna take a second to actually know it. I'm gonna force quit it again. Let's see, where are you, sidekick? Dude, don't say that. Like you're doing good already based on our last conversation. Like you're understanding the design system. You're talking to engineers. You're thinking with the business, aspect as well. You're doing great. Like don't worry about it. Even if you do go back to job hunt, you'll figure it out. I'm not even worried about you at all. Literally, you'll figure it out. So don't even worry about it. I mean, you only need one person to believe in you, and someone did believe in you, and you got the job. So, like, come on, man. I believe in you. What does the hub consist of? Podcast, content creation, explorations. I feel like I should have done this on the Fig Jam, to be honest. Yeah, it'll definitely be interesting. I feel the same way. Okay, I'm curious about something, Freddy. Oh, my lead not leading. More clients for what? For like work to get paid, Aiden? Freddy, what I'm curious about is like, so I'm feeling great in my job right now. Like I love my job, and people are amazing. I love the projects and stuff like that. But I still have this sometimes feeling of like feeling lost. Like I don't know what the coming time holds. Like in the next year, what that holds, or what's next step in my career. I was wondering if you feel the same way. It's like it's just this feeling that just doesn't go away. And I was talking to some other person who's like way ahead in their career, and they were like, yeah, even they have this feeling even now of feeling of loss, and their friends have it too, so it might not go away. It all feels temporary. I get that. Paid people, how much money do you want per month, Aiden? Because I mean, and are you working right now on freelance projects? I don't remember if you were or not. I know you're talking with Khalil to work on projects with him, but I don't remember if you're working on freelance projects right now. I mean, Aiden, I can pay you in pizza. I know that's like you're happy to work with pizza, right? Like here, for example. And people who give me pizza. So I can pay you in pizza. Yeah, Khalil the streamer, dude. Oh, you quit it? Oh, I remember like what happened. I was in the call. Yeah, it makes sense. You don't have the MacBook as well, so it would have been pretty hectic because of that as well. I'm trying to think like what to do. Like when I start streaming, I don't even feel like actually working anymore. I feel like just like talking. Oh, also look at this, Freddy. This is a case study template. Like I actually purchased um, a few months ago, and I really like this. It came with a course basically that I purchased. But look at, I'm gonna zoom in so that you can actually see the whole like cool aspect of it. Like look at that. Like it's pretty like it's pretty concise, I'd say, and it just like it looks really well, I would say. Like problems, challenges, goals, solutions. Like it's just like basically it's talking about the overview first, then problems, goals, and solution, and then obviously like other things to showcase like the results and stuff like that. No, I can't share the Figma, dude. That's another thing. Oh, Aiden, that's it? You can easily hit that, dude. You don't even need many clients. You just need one client then. Or the SaaS product that you're working on. I don't know what you've worked on so far, but could you make that paid somehow? Like maybe have a paid model like that costs $1, $2 something. That would get you to 500 easily. Yeah, I wish I could, Freddy, but I can't share the Figma file itself, but I wanted to show you. Like it looks really cool, I would say. I think I really like this solution and even the outcome. I think like it has what needs to be here basically, and I think that this is a very good start. Yeah, and it also has like the mobile version, and I feel like this is a great way to templatize like the case studies and give them enough information that they're like a recruiter could decide, do I want to talk to this person or not, and like these type of things. I feel like this is interesting that I'm gonna like explore further, but I think this is gonna be probably how I make my current case studies into like a teaser or trailer instead of a whole movie that it is even now. Pick up a disease for what? What do you mean? Ooh, nice, Aiden. I'm probably gonna get you to work on my Discord as well when I'm ready. But yeah, Aiden, I can pay you in pizzas if you want. No, but honestly, any project that we do, whatever I make, is 50-50. I mean, dude, Freddy, he's not settling. He asked for it. He literally asked for it. Look at that. He asked for it. People who give me pizza. Oh my god, he makes money. Sure. Sure. What do you mean you're not people? Am I alien to you now? I'm not even a client right now. I'm just Aiden's friend right now. Literally. Like, what do you mean? I'm not people. Nah, but I might be working with Aiden on making some app or something. Just a bag of cash. Freddy, you mind helping? You mind giving me the money? Oh my god, 25,000 for a Discord bot? Nah, I'm fine. I'd rather learn how to code than pay 25,000. That way, I can not only create the Discord bot, but I can actually use that thing to monetize my services even further, or get paid even more, or to make projects. But yeah, Aiden, honestly, if it's just 500 pounds, you can easily get it even from a single client, to be honest. It's not, 500 pounds is not that much money. If you acknowledge saving some money. I don't even know what the Discord bot does right now. Freddy. I don't have a Discord. I don't have a personal Discord server or channel, whatever it's called. I don't have it. So I don't even know what the Discord bot really does. Now pass. See, that's the thing. I don't know what the value is of that Discord bot, and that's why I can't really say if it's worth 350, if it's worth 25,000. That's the thing. It will answer problems you don't even know you have. Sure, Freddy, sure. Hey, Aiden, Freddy will pay for my Discord bot. He messaged me on Discord. He will pay for Discord bot. Dude, I need to start posting on LinkedIn again as well. Like, I haven't posted for a few weeks now. You're in marketing now? Like, come on, man. What are you talking about? But I really need to, like, I really feel like by the end of this year, I can easily get this to 1,000 followers. Even though this means nothing in a sense, I still believe I can very, very easily get this to 1,000 if I post consistently. Probably even 2,000, 2,500 even by the end of this month. Not this month, but the end of this year. If I post consistently, literally. Because I do have impressions from when I did post before. Like, look at that. This was when I posted it in... Shit, it's been 2 months since I posted. Wow. But yeah, look at that. Like, it's just crazy how much growth you can have on LinkedIn. The impressions are crazy. 8,000 and things like that. LinkedIn is ass. Oh my god. 55 fucking thousand impressions. Yeah, Aiden, you should do it. Also, I actually did work on the super pure thing that we were talking about. Let's see if it's live. I don't know if... Okay, you can't really see it right now. Let's see. Super pure... Okay. I don't remember my user ID. Oh my god, I completely butchered the name. I don't need to know that. I don't need to know that, Freddy. There's some details you should just keep to yourself. Just saying. Okay, so I think this is probably Tanish Jindal. Tanish Jindal. Oh, oh, you said talking. I apologize. Okay, so Aiden, I was talking to you, I think last time that I'm thinking about setting up consultation, right? One-on-one consultation. Oh my god, Freddy. Chill, bro, chill. But yeah, I set up the super P already, and on the back end I already have two things created: the free consultation and also the paid consultation. Wow. I'm gonna try something. I don't even... Oh no, BS, I can't even do it. Shit. You sure about that? I actually just want to try it. Let's see. How do I time out? I don't even know. Oh yeah, time out. Let's see. Does that work? I don't even know the commands, dude. Let's see the commands. I'm just curious, how do I time out someone? I'm not gonna ban, but how do I time out someone? That's just mean, Aiden. That's just really mean. My computer is so slow today because I just have a lot of things open. Dude, I'm not gonna ban you, don't worry. I mean, I can make you a mod. I don't have a problem with that. Oh, what time is that? Where the heck is timeout? I don't even freaking see timeout, dude. I literally haven't gotten to this yet. Wow. I genuinely don't even know how to freaking do timeout. Wow, that's just crazy. Yo, Aiden, tell me how to do timeout, people. I'm pretty sure I had a timeout thing. No, I didn't take the 3-year course yet. I mean, I did know how to time out, but I don't remember. It's been a while since I like actually live streamed consistently. I mean, I know from like Twitch, but I thought there was like a, what is it called, like a command or something for timeout as well. Exactly. What's the best way to do it? Like, I know that on Twitch you can actually time out people. Like literally, I could just go here and then time out people right here. Like boom, time out for, oh shit, actually walked out. Oh dude, 47 messages were deleted. What the heck? Oh my god. I know, like you could time out from there. I already untimed him out as well, so don't worry about that. Wow, the messages were deleted. I didn't even know the messages would be deleted. Is he gone? I'm sure he's still here. Oh, he's here. What do you mean you can't clip this abuse? Oh my god. Where did I find this actually? Okay, Freddy. Do you live stream on your MacBook or do you live stream on PC? Oh, PC. Dude, I can't find anyone who freaking streams on their MacBook so I can ask them how do I freaking set up everything. Like I genuinely don't even know how to set up these things in OBS. I just have to look at like YouTube tutorials and stuff to actually make that happen. Aiden, I don't have money to buy a PC and I don't have space for a PC either. Yeah, designers all have PCs, so that's the thing. Okay, chill, Freddy. Chill, Freddy. We know that I do have the money, but I don't want to use it to buy something that I'm not gonna use. Okay, so I'm working on Zoom, so what? What about it, Aiden? What about it? I don't know what about it? That's what I'm curious about. Like, what about me working on Zoom? What do you mean by that? Oh my god. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that, Freddy. No, it doesn't work like that, dude. I'm a contractor. I'm not like a full-time permanent employee or something, and I don't really test things like that. I don't need that for testing. So, yeah, forget it. For testing purposes. I'm just setting up the file because I know I have to make I'll need to make these stuff for when I create the website. So I need design system. I would need the logo, the cover. I'll have to make the cover. So I don't have a cover right now, at least, and the website. Oh my god, did he actually clip it? Dude, I don't want to. He actually made it. He actually made it into a clip. That's just funny. Let's see. We just go here and then time out people. Oh, the thing is, it's censored. You can't even see it. Boo. Dude, your plan failed. Like, literally, you just can't even see it. It's literally... You never saw me click the button, so... Can I delete it as well? Can I delete it? I don't know. I don't know if I could delete it. Let's see. Yeah, this is gonna be on YouTube. One, I know. Honestly, I don't mind at all. It's okay, Freddy. You'll get your chances again. Wait, why would your lead see it? I don't get... Oh, okay. I know what you mean. Okay. Dude, first of all, I don't know if your lead knows about you streaming on Twitch. And then if they do, they don't know me streaming on Twitch. And so they're not gonna find out. And it's, you're not really saying anything bad or anything. It's just like, yeah. So chill. It's fine. Guess we can listen. Okay, it's not Diwali. It's Diwali. I'll put it here. This is the right way to say it. It's a really big Indian holiday or event. Yeah, we light firecrackers and things like that on this day. And oh, dude, you did not offend me or anything. Don't worry. I'm just like letting you know. Honestly, I don't mind at all. Yeah, don't be sorry, dude. Like, it's not a big deal. Like, I just wanted to let you know on how it's spelled, literally. Wait, who are you talking to, Aiden? Me or Freddy? I honestly, I don't shy from telling people like I live stream. Like, people know I live stream. I just make sure to not do it during the time I work. Like, if I, like, for example, if I was working, I would be focusing on work and not like on actually talking and stuff like that. Yeah, it just sucks. I know what you mean. Ready? Yeah, same Freddy. I do the same thing. I actually do the work and don't show it as well. It's the same thing with the NDAs and stuff. I wish I could show the work and actually, like, you know, work freely, but it's fine. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Aiden? I don't even know what you mean. Why would I cry off stream with you? I don't even know what you mean. It's okay, Freddy. It's okay. Everything will be fine. If you lose this job, you'll get another one. But like I said, my first presentation sucked because I didn't even know if that I was presenting. But then obviously it got better because I knew, okay, I was presenting. What is the main thing that I'm trying to tell them? And then what supporting stuff do I have to convey the narrative? You know, so it just, yeah, I was okay to ask others like, hey, what did I do wrong? How could I improve? Things like that. And now it's just pretty simple in like most of the ways. Okay, what things do you want on the website? Like if you guys were looking at SkedeWalker's website, like what things would you be hoping for? Like I feel like this is like it's really gonna be around content about like yeah, it's really gonna be around content and my explorations. At least that's what I'm feeling like. But I don't know what else do I need to like really show in the website. No, I'm good, Aiden. You need the money. You said it yourself. You want a $500 per 500 pounds per month. Do you mean it like it's not loading up ready, or is it just like? Like, what do you mean by LinkedIn not working? Is it like just the website not loading up, or what? I feel like I need to sketch this to actually know exactly like what things are gonna be on what. Oh, okay, sometimes it happens to me, dude. Too on LinkedIn. I hate when that happens. Okay, thank you for lurking, Freddy. I appreciate you, buddy. Okay, have fun on the walk, dude. See you later. Lords of hours of what, Aiden? Like you want a 500 pound per month client because you don't want to do lots of hours. That I don't really understand. What do you mean by that? Is it like, are you working part-time somewhere that you don't want to work at? Okay, work. And is it that you're working part-time right now somewhere? I'm guessing not. So I'm gonna put I think a few boxes might be good to put. I'm gonna put okay, so basically I know that some of my explorations will be shown here, and I think there are a few ways that I could show my explorations. I'm just kind of taking this lightly a little bit. I'm not really focusing pretty intensely on this, and that's okay. But I feel like there's a few ways I can do it. Either this could be like a scroll thing, because it's just like exploration in a sense. Oh, okay. I get that. Yeah, I feel like you have a idea with your Discord bot, or you could think about some other things. I don't know. I feel like $500 is pretty easy to make. It's not that I'm saying that I'm making that money, you know, with client work right now, but I still feel like it's much easier to make 500 pounds. It's not gonna be a big deal. Like you can make that happen for sure. Or just make 10 templates, 5 to 10 templates of a webflow. That's gonna make you the money. You knew I was gonna say it, right? Oh, that actually makes sense over here. Like shop or something along the lines of shop. Because I'm thinking a lot about templates, a lot of other things that I'm thinking about. it all can be inside the shop. I think that could be a very prominent feature in on this website as well. So yeah, or make React templates, you know, make templates for Ghost. I know that's a popular one, or Shopify. Like, I don't know which ones use React template, but like, make whatever templates you want. That was an example of like Webflow template, but that could apply for anything. Ooh, you know what would be cool if there was a gradient effect that actually, I don't know how to actually achieve that. Yeah, I don't actually know how to achieve that. I guess that would be done from linear, and then if this was the case, and then this was the case, and then just get in the center. Oh, look at that. Boom. Something like this could be very, very cool. Obviously, I have to look at how would this be done, but oh my god. Sure, go for it, Aiden. Go for it. Dude, my eyes been twitching all day today. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, Web3 stuff. Dude, I forgot about Web3 to be honest. I mean, there's definitely a lot of ideas for Web3 as well that you can probably think about. Yeah, I think that could be really cool actually to do something along those lines. I think this is definitely gonna be a dark mode website. Probably the color palette would be something along the lines of like 515 with some grainy effect on this as well. Grainy effect, I think. And then the main color would definitely be dark blue, just like for a lot of other things. I feel like dark blue would be the color for the website, just because that's just, it's just SkedeWalker style somehow. That is SkedeWalker style. I can't really estimate which dark blue. Okay, cool, Aiden. Thank you so much for coming by. I know I didn't stream that early today. I streamed pretty late, but I really appreciate you stopping by, dude. Thank you. I'm actually gonna end stream and like actually work, like just study courses and stuff, because I can't work right now on stream. I need to like get that focus back. It may take me a little while. Okay, bye. See ya. Okay, everyone. I think I'm gonna end stream soon, but basically I wanted to make sure to let you know like the plan going forward. What you can expect from me right now is like, just expect me on Wednesdays for now. Like, I'm not saying I'm gonna be on stream on other days right now, but I'll aim to start with Wednesdays only, because that day I don't have meetings and I can probably stream those days. So yeah, I don't know if they're all gonna be like work related streams or design streams or whatever. I'm just gonna try to stream, and eventually I am gonna make design focused streams as well, where I'm actually designing projects, really interacting with everyone, and just having a blast, whether it's projects that I'm working on myself or projects that others are working on, or if you're just making free projects together. Like, I really want to make this community fun and also really exciting, and because if you're not having fun in something, like what's the point of it, right? Like in design, if I don't have fun, like what's the point of me designing or being a designer? So I'm thinking about these things. I'm really thinking about streaming as a core part. I always keep this note card with me. It just says, like, you know, Monday to Sunday stream for 3 hours, co-working session kind of thing. But I just haven't started yet because I'm other things take priority right now. Streaming doesn't take priority, which is okay for now. But streaming is a very important part to me. I just want you all to know that I will be consistent soon, and I'm just planning some fun things. We'll just have to see where things goes, and I hope we have fun together. I hope I get to know you guys. I hope I get to help you, or you help me, and we get to work on fun projects together. That's all I want. I want to work on fun projects with other people. All right, bye, people.